In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix brightness control slider missing in Windows 10 or 11. Normally, if you click on the notification icon, you'll be able to see the brightness control slider over here. So if you do not see the option over here, what you have to do is click on this option, settings. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. What you have to do is simply click on this option, system, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, system will be opened. What you have to do is click on this option, notifications and actions. Now you'll be able to access the action settings over here. Click on this option, edit your quick actions. Now you'll be able to edit your quick actions over here. If the brightness control slider is not over here, what you have to do is click on this option, add. Now you'll be able to find this option for brightness, simply click on it. Now after you do that, click on the option done. Now once you do that, if you click on the notification icon, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the brightness control slider. But still, if your problem is not fixed, there might be some problem with the driver. In that case, what you have to do is click on the search icon again. Now type in device manager and click on this option, open. Now the windows for the device manager will be opened. What you have to do is find this option for display adapters and simply click on it. Now it will be expanded. Select your display adapter and right click on it. Now click on this option, update driver, that you can see on the screen. Now once the driver has been updated, the problem should be solved. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix brightness control slider missing on Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.